What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we have the Brabus Mercedes-AMG EQS 53 and it's $276,000. Now, Brabus is one of the tuners that have embraced electrification as proven by the EQ-based offerings, and the latest example is a modified Mercedes-AMG EQS 53 4Matic Plus that benefits from carbon fiber body kit, larger wheels, lower suspension, and a reupholstered cabin. And while that doesn't make it more powerful than the standard AMG branded EV, Brabus's take on the EQS offers a longer driving range and sharper handling. Now, the company presented a comprehensive tuning kit for the EQS electric flagship last year, but the pictured and similarly spec'd EV is based on the more potent AMG variant. Now, the sleek-shaped sedan benefits from blacked-out chrome elements and a number of exposed carbon fiber components additions all around the bodywork, and they're available in glossy or matte finish. Now, the body kit includes a new splitter, intake garnish, side skirts, air deflectors in the front and in the rear wheels. You also have the new diffuser and a pronounced lip spoiler at the back. Another highlight is the 22-inch forged wheels called Brabus Monoblock M Platinum Edition and 10-spoke design, which are shod in Pirelli P0 tires. Now, the larger wheels are combined with the Brabus Sport Extra suspension module, bringing the car closer to the ground by 15 to 20 millimeters. 0.6 to 0.8 inches, and features a new setup that is said to improve handling without sacrificing comfort. Now, Brabus claims that all the aforementioned modifications make the EQS more aerodynamic by 7.2%, resulting in a 7% increase in EV range at speeds between 100 and 140 kilometers or 62 and 87 miles per hour. While that is a notable improvement, chances are that most Brabus customers will be more interested in the sporty styling of the kit rather than the improved efficiency. Now, the luxury of the cabin of the EQS has been reupholstered with high-quality quilted and perforated charcoal-colored leather. Now, it's a surprise addition that this is vegan molted black-gray fabric accents and is designed to replicate the carbon fiber look of the exterior. Now, other details include the carbon fiber pedals and scuff plates, the velour mats, and the plush pillows for the rear headrest, which are upholstered in Dynamica microfiber. The Brabus emblem can be found in many different places throughout the interior, showing that this is not your typical AMG. And of course, the EQS owners can ask Brabus for different types of leather in any desired color and other custom interior additions. Now, as mentioned earlier, Brabus didn't mess with the electric powertrain of the model. This means that it comes fitted with the stock AMG specific dual electric motors, producing a combined 649 horsepower, 484 kilowatts, 658 PS, and 950 newton meters, 701 pound-feet of torque, or up to 751 horsepower, 560 kilowatts, 761 PS, and 1020 newton meters, 752 pound-feet with the optional Dynamic Plus package. The 0 to 100 kilometer or 0 to 62 sprint is completed in 3.4 seconds, while the top speed is limited to 250 kilometers, 155 miles per hour. And if you're wondering about the price of the Mercedes-AMG EQS tuned by Brabus, well, the one that is pictured is offered for a whopping 250,654 euros or $276,271 before taxes. Note that Mercedes-AMG EQS 53 4Matic Plus already starts at 155,009 euros or $170,250. So, yeah. This is not a cheap option. But with that said, what do you guys think about the Brabus version of the new AMG EQS 53? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Give the video a like. We'll help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we can have a bigger discussion on the fully electric Mercedes-AMG EQS 53 tuned by Brabus. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the extra love, guys. It makes the channel go so much further. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and the social media links down in the description below as well. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.